Yeah, beautiful day today, but it's windy as all hell. Probably 100-mile-per-hour gusts, no joke. On the weather thing, it's funny, it says 40-mile-per-hour gusts on one of them. It's fucking hella wrong, I guarantee you. There's trailers being blown over. Roofs are getting ripped off. There's no way 40-mile-per-hour wind is gonna fucking rip a roof off a restaurant. Actually, a pretty nice restaurant too. It's not like an old junky one. It is pretty old, but they work on it. It's one of the higher end restaurants. And the fucking roof got ripped off of it somewhat. Not the whole thing, but trailer getting pushed over is not going to happen at 40-mile-per-hour wind. I can tell you that right now. I should have recorded it on the way here. Well, we'll get a good idea once we get into this town. It's pretty bad. I'm pretty sure the power's out at the shop. I don't know what I'm going to be doing today. I guess I'll go over there and figure it out. But yeah, lots of trees been out. Power's out. Lots of places. Probably not going to be back up for a few days. Power poles got blown over. So it's going to be a while. The ground's frozen. They have to redo a power pole. Yeah, this got blown down. Awesome. Man, it's so freaking cold right now. I've been outside for a little bit. The wind. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah, it fucking ripped the door right off. Those screws. Now, this door was fairly strong. I think they just had these cupped in here. You know, these pieces of metal. It was like that, and then they lagged it to the 2x6s. Yeah, fucking ripped it off. We're running a generator right now. There's no power here. But I forgot the fucking bolts for my plow mount. The place close to here doesn't have anything that I need, the bolts. They're out of stock on the shit or something. And then I just forgot to get it at the other place. Was driving through the wind, and that's all I was thinking about. I was trying to stay on the road. I'm getting blown all over the place. I totally forgot. Yeah, look at that. Blew a camper right over. Brand new camper. That thing is freaking moving around. Oh, look at that. I just saw it rocking back and forth. It's crazy. Blew out that jack. Fell right over. Sucks. It's gonna be an expensive fix. Hit that other camper. That was like their two nicest campers they got back there. Yeah, look at this place. Got tore up. Freaking power poles down over there. I was gonna stop and kind of walk around and record it, but yeah, look, that power pole's just hanging there on the wire, the top of it. Probably don't want me around. I'll get a good recording here in a minute, but yeah, that's pretty thrashed up, if I say so. Okay, check it out. Yeah, I was gonna just pull over and walk around, but yeah, seeing the power line and everything down like that, nope, not gonna do that. It's pretty bad. I mean, it's kind of hard to get just how windy it is. You can see some of the trees. I mean, I'm driving, so it's kind of hard to tell, but how they're all sideways. Yeah, this is a restaurant. Had the roof blow off of it. I'll hop out and try to get a better view. It's one of the places I could actually get one. Yeah, can't really tell too much, but a lot of that roof got ripped off. Nice restaurant. Yeah, I heard a lot of the debris fell off on the side of the hill here. See if you can't see it. Yeah, some of those metal boxes up there are just hanging. But here's some wood from it. All that plywood and stuff. Lots of other debris all over this hill. There's some type of debris or trash right now. It's usually not like this. Yeah, there's foam everywhere. Somebody's roof or something, I don't know. Bunch of foam all over. Maybe it's just a bundle of foam that they left at a job site and it blew away like this. Foam for a foundation. Yeah, that's crazy. I'll turn around. I don't live down here, so. Oh yeah, look at that tent. Just ripped to shreds. I heard about this online, so decided to come check it out. The roof falling off that building. Go get another view of it. Now all these trees that are down. We have that tent back there. That's what happened to our house. Same thing. We got a tent like that and it just ripped to shreds. There's some trees down over there. Ripped right from the roots. Pushed right over. It's pretty strong. It's not a constant wind, it's the gusts. The constant wind, I don't know, 30, 40 miles per hour, something like that, but we'll get a gust that goes up to like 100 miles per hour. No joke. At least last night, it definitely got up there to close to 100 miles per hour. Yeah, it's my brother's tent. Just got ripped to shreds too. Frickin' A. Yeah, this is my fucking shit. Got ripped to shreds. Tried to secure what I could. And yeah, not much I could do until the wind dies down. Probably the end of the video, but this is the new 3-wheeler. Got shocks in the back. I'd like to go riding. It's just so windy. Might go riding. I know. I just parked it over here. I had a tarp on it. Had to put it away because yeah, it's just gonna blow off of there. And parked it over here so no trees hit it. But still got these machines over here. Had tarps on them. Had to take them off also. It's too damn windy. But yeah, we'll go riding here soon. I'll make a video. I don't know about today or what, but here soon. But I'll catch you guys later.